In this video, I'm going to walk you through the Binance platform. Everything you need to know about Binance, I'm going to walk you through here. That is buy, sell, deposit, withdraw, or maybe you want to receive cryptocurrency from a friend. So when you open the Binance platform, this is how it's going to look like. On the mobile interface, you're going to see deposit, referral, strategy, trading, earn, chat room. Click more, you're gonna see all other features that Binance offer on their platform. You see announcement, auto invest, fees, DeFi staking, Binance NFT, Binance academic, cards, convert, transfer, buy crypto, recurring buy, fiat, deposit orders, sell to cards, send, receive, request a payment, withdraw fiat. So these are the different features that you find on the Binance platform. Depending on what you want to do, I'm going to walk you through like right now. But let me begin with announcement. Announcement is just for you to see what is going on with Binance, latest news, new cryptocurrency, latest activities. Go here and you're going to see what is going on. Like for example, latest news, new cryptocurrency. You're going to see everything here on how Binance go about new cryptocurrency, how everything works, like how they list new coins on their platform, and how you can take advantage of the Binance launch pad. So let's go to next. Auto invest is a feature where you can set up an investment, like it's like a bot that invests for you. Maybe you will say the bot should buy, let's say every month or every week something, so you can set this bot to buy. I don't want to set anything, because I don't want to do auto invest. But if say you want to do auto invest, play with this with these futures on Binance. And if say you want to go to DeFi staking, you can do this. And if say you want to convert cryptocurrency, you can just click here convert, and it's going to take you to this platform where you can convert any cryptocurrency to what you have. Let's say for example you have USDT and you want to buy Bitcoin. You just go to you click here and you select the amount that you want or the currency that you have. You select the currency that you have funds in that you want to convert to BTC. For example, I have USDT. If say I want to convert this USDT to Bitcoin, I'm just going to click on USDT, then click on Bitcoin max or the amount I want. Then I'm going to preview to confirm transaction, but I don't want to transfer this right now to Bitcoin. Now the Binance interface have two section. It has the pro section and the normal section. The pro section is for those who take advantage of the advanced features that Binance offers, and the other section is for those who don't have enough knowledge yet. So if say you want to go to the normal version, you don't want to start using the pro yet, click on this icon that is like a human being on the left hand side of your phone. Click on it and scroll down. You're gonna see below it says Binance Pro. Uncheck the box. It's gonna take you to the normal Binance where you can look at your portfolio, look at what is going on, like feed. You can trade, buy crypto, sell crypto, convert, deposit. Then you can look at the market, what's going on. For example, you can see here they have hot market cap, price, 24 hours change. You can go to watch list. Watch list is when you have coins that you are watching, maybe you want to buy in the future. You just can put them onto your watch list. But you can look at coins from the market cap, from the price, 24 hours volume and everything. Yep. And also if say you want to like deposit, click here deposit. It will tell you what you want to deposit. Is it cryptocurrency or fiat? So you can choose. For example, if say you want to deposit fiat, depending on what currency you have, you click on it. It's gonna take you to deposit fiat. For example, in this case, I can deposit, maybe let me say you want to deposit euros. I just have to do it like this: bank transfer, SEPA is free, and I'm gonna pay only €1 charges, like fees. So this is how you do it when it comes to fiat. You can do it with your currency. There are multiple currencies here. You can see so many of them. You can choose which one you have to deposit in your Binance. Now let's move to the next. If say you want to deposit crypto, click on crypto, and you're gonna see the option to select whatever crypto you want to deposit or you want to exchange, right? For example, let's say you want to deposit USDT. You click on USDT and you're gonna appear here. See the first Theta USDT. Click on it and it's gonna give you the different networks that you would need to use to receive or send transaction. These different networks are very important because if say you mistakenly send your cryptos to a wrong network, you won't be able to recover your money afterwards. So make sure you always receive money from the right network or you send money using the right network. Let's say someone want to send you money, make sure you tell them the address that you want them to send the money to. So for example, if say you want to send money to Smart Chain, click on Smart Chain, the address will pop up, then copy the address and send it to whoever you want them to deposit money to your Binance. So this is how this works. And let's say for example, if say you want to withdraw, it's the same thing. You're gonna choose what cryptos you want to withdraw, and you're gonna ask you what address you want to send the money to and what network. So always make sure you select the proper network. It's the same like when you want to receive money, you select the network that you want to receive money from, and if say you want to send money, still you use the network that you want to send money to. So it's very important you do it like that. It's almost similar to bank transfer. If say you want to send money to somebody, you have to make sure you send it to their account, not to something else, right? So this is very important. Now this is the normal Binance interface. You see here you have Binance Earn. This is a feature where you can stake, participate in different Binance liquidity pool and get decent APR. Like for example, you see USDC have 3.4% APR, SXP has 24.17 APR. So you can decide to choose whatsoever coins you want to subscribe to, maybe for 1 year and so on and so forth. Lots of features here for you to navigate around. And if you want to go back to the advanced features, just click on that little icon on the left side, then scroll down, you tick this box to take you to the pro version where you can do so many stuff. So yeah, like just play around with this and you're gonna see that it's gonna be easy for you to understand and take advantage of everything you see here. Everything you see here is a way for you to make money in cryptocurrency. Binance is one of the biggest platform here. If say you want to go to Binance Live to watch what's going on, like this is more of a streaming section on the Binance platform where you can follow different programs going on in Binance. Like for example, we have here Learn and Earn Crypto. This is a platform where you can go right now and watch what is going on, learn and do whatever you want to do. So this person is having this live stream in the Binance app, so you can take advantage of this as well to learn and get to know so much about what is going on with different projects and so on. Or maybe you can subscribe to my platform and watch my videos about crypto to understand more on what is going on in this market. Yeah, that's that. And to continue, it's the same thing. Just go to any feature that you want to learn more. For example, if say you want to receive, this is receive crypto, you do it here. If say you want to deposit, you do it here. If say you want to buy crypto, you can click on buy crypto here. Like you want to buy crypto with your debit card, just click on buy crypto and it'll tell you okay what amount you want to buy. Let's say for example I want to buy in euros. I want to buy 25 euros worth crypto. I'm just going to click continue and it'll give me the different payment options. Google Pay, we have card, cash balance, etc. So for example, if say I want to pay with Google Pay, just have to confirm, then it will take me to a section where I'm gonna confirm the payment, but I don't want to do that right now. And if say you want to refer a friend to join Binance, this is the referral button here. And if say you want to spend to earn, you can click. I mean guys, there's so much here about Binance that you can take advantage of. You can see here we have P2P. If say you want to trade P2P, you can go to the P2P platform and you start trading P2P. I've done a lot of videos about P2P. Make make sure you go and check out my Binance P2P video so that you can understand more how to go about making money with Binance through P2P. Remember, every section you see here is a way for you to make money, and this is the reward center. If say you want to see your rewards, you can go to the reward center to find out what rewards are available out there for you that you can claim. You can see here I've claimed so many rewards here. I don't have any rewards yet, and if you scroll down, you're gonna see previous rewards that I have been able to be part of, right? And if say you wanna trade, you go back to the main menu. You can see here markets, trades. It will take you to futures or spot trading. Like the trade is spot trading, then futures. You're gonna click on futures. It's gonna take you to where you can start trading futures. And if say you want to select what cryptocurrency to trade, just click there. You're gonna see different cryptos that you can start trading. If say you don't see the one that you're looking for, go to the search bar and search for it. Just write the name and it will appear there. And if you want to see the different wallets like spot wallet, funding wallet, margin, futures, options, just click on the wallet and it will take you to different wallet that are available there. So this is the Binance platform on your phone. Hopefully this content will be helpful to get you started with Binance. If this content was helpful to you and you want me to keep creating more of such content, then you should go right now and smash the subscribe button, thumbs up, and share this content with someone else out there. Having said that, guys, see you in the next video. Bye bye.